Alright guys, it's Evan with Team How To. Today I'm just going to go over how to make a logo. Super quick, easy, and free.
Hey guys, it's Mark from Team How To. Our team has scoured the web to bring you the latest and most relevant content. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.
If you go to Canva, I'll put the link to the site in the description below. Once you're in, just go to the search bar, type in logo. Tons of logos to choose from. I'll just scroll through a little bit, find one that I personally like. One reason I like this site so much is they just have so many options on templates, from logos to thumbnails. There's so many options. All right, and then once you guys find a logo that you like, you can just come in and edit it. You change the words, the colors, everything. Here, I'll show you how to do it real fast. So I'll just put then to change any colors, you can just select the part that you want to change, come up here, colors drop down. Got a full color wheel, and change it however. And then once you get it how you like, you can just come up here, select download. I select the JPEG file and then download that. And that's it, you're done.